Hi guys! Today we're gonna make salmon onion rain. So for the onion, you can pick whatever onion you want. I tried so many times and I think the white onion is better because it's sweeter. So now when you cut the onion, it's about 1 inch. The thickness is about 1 inch of the onion because we need to keep that circle. We need to keep the rain. And when we do the salmon, we can put it inside the ring. So now you keep cutting it, and you need to you only keep those perfect circle one. The rest of them, don't throw it away. You're gonna use it later on. But now I'm separating those circle and keep the one that I'm gonna use. And then the rest of them, we're gonna chop it later on and then mix it with the salmon. So now, those not perfect circle onion, I'm going to chop it, cut it to small pieces. So after you cutting them, you can put it aside. You're going to use it later. So you wash the salmon, clean it, and dry it. Make sure you dry it because we don't want any water in our fish. So now we put some lemon juice on our salmon. I use only about half lemon on this salmon. And now we add some soy sauce, and that is the organic soy sauce, organic Japanese soy sauce. And now we add some sugar. And then we mix it well. Make sure all the soy sauce, all the sugar, it's all over the fish, front and back, everywhere. Then now you put in the fridge for about 10 minutes. After the fridge, take it out, and we need to put it in the oven for 350 and for 15 minutes. We need to make sure the salmon is all cooked. Take it out from the oven, and then now we can shred it as salmon. This part we can make sure that the salmon is all cooked, and then if there's any bone, we'll take out the bone, and then we keep on doing it until the whole fish is done. Heat up the pan and then add some oil, olive oil, and then put garlic. And then some onion, those onions that we chopped. And stir, fry it, mix it well, and until the onion turns a little brown. now we put some spinach in there. I put a lot of spinach because it will shrink and you probably won't see much after it's cooked. And now we put those shredded salmon here and mix it well. Now we need to mix 3 eggs with the salmon and spinach and the onion, and then also it's time to put some salt and pepper with the salmon. Now heat up the pan and put some olive oil, and then now you can start putting those onion rings in there. Now you put those salmon and spinach in each ring and just fill it up. Now you add some water and then cover it with a lid and cook for 5 to 8 minutes. So now you flip those salmon onion ring to the other side and cook for another 3 minutes. Salmon, spinach, onion ring, it's done. Hope you like it.